Hi, myself KK Singh, uh, and welcome to my channel Techish or GAG Agra. So GAG Agra is nothing but Google Educators Group, where we discuss about Google applications. So I discussed about building blocks in my last video, and uh, in that video I discussed how to compose meeting notes and how to compose the building block like drafting the mail where multiple people can work on the same draft and sitting in different locations of this city or the country or the state, and finally that mail was the draft was sent to the different recipients as email. So this was the unique feature of Google Docs, where multiple people can could work on the same document and same draft of email. All right. So now, today I'm going to discuss some different titles of the document. These titles could be heading, this title could be title or subheading, and many more things. How to create or how to manage these titles or subheadings, so that you can uh, synchronize the things. I mean, like table of contents. So in the gist how to create the table of contents, so I'll discuss these headings, titles, subheadings, and table of contents, so that when you click on any of the content, the cursor reaches to the particular um, content or the heading using the hyperlink. So let's move to our Google Docs. So here, this is my Google Doc, where I am writing or drafting a chapter. So in this chapter, if you look at chapter 3, word processing MS Word. So if I want to make it the title, how to make this a title? Say I change the color and change the font, and here to apply this I'll have to say update title to match. Now you see, this is title. So if I click this word like say title, so it will look like, if I click this and say title, it will look like. But I did not mean that. Now I am going to apply different headings also. Now I select this one, and this could be maybe the heading, the subheading. For example, I take this as the heading 2. Okay, so first I'll change the color and font style, say trebuchet, and the font say 20, and now I'll make it say heading 2. So apply heading to, and before that I'll have to apply update heading to match. So it'll look like this, and this is heading number 2, heading 2. And what I also want this should be also the heading 2, or I can change the heading. So this time I'm changing the font style to trebuchet, and say 19, and this time I am taking heading as any color I want to change. What was that heading to? Heading to okay, this was trebuchet, and this is also I want to trebuchet, and this should be, I'll say, heading 3. So this is heading 3. Now rest of the things, rest of the headings would like to turn into, say, heading 2 or heading 3. All right. So this is heading 2 again, trebuchet and 19 here, trebuchet 19. So this was the heading, and other, this is also heading and heading. So see here, the font style is trebuchet and sizes. So if I say change one more headings, like suppose launchpad, and say these headings. So what I want it to be the heading 4, but it should be, font style should be, and again trebuchet and color, say this, and heading 4, and I'll update heading 4 to match, so it will look like this. And this also I want heading 4, so this is heading 4, say heading 4, heading 4, heading 4, heading 4, the entire chapter heading 4, heading 3, heading 2, 7, again heading 4, 7, and then this I would like to be the heading 3, heading 3, and this again heading 3, heading 4, heading 4, heading 4, and this is heading 3, again this is heading 3, heading 3, and heading 3. All right, so you see I have changed the text style, means heading styles. So styles were like title, heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, and heading 4, and title as well. All right, and if you look at the left pane of this document, if I say view, expand this, then you'll see it looks like table of contents. So if I click I will learn, so it will take me to the I will learn heading. And if I say I want to go to formatting, So this is formatting text. So this becomes the table of content. So now what I want to insert this table of content in the beginning of the chapter, for example, and here this is okay. And uh, and suppose I insert this table of content here. So what should I do? I will go to insert and will go to page elements, and here there's the option table of contents. So there's styles. So this is plain text table of contents. This is dotted table of content layout, and this is links. So depends on the user which kind of table content the user wants. So suppose I take this, then I'll click on this. So see here, so this is table of content. So what I learned, what is word processor. So when I click this, for example, it will take me to the what is word processor. And if I say transition and animation, so it will take me to the transition and animation. So these are the basics of setting the document in different styles, like uh, what sentence or what heading should be the title sentence, and what sentence should be the heading sentence, and what heading should be the heading 2, heading 3, and so on, and how to make the table of contents. So this is one of the most important or the unique feature of Google Doc as well. So if you want to create any document and you want to apply these headings, so how to make the headings and how to make headings compatible to the text, so you can easily do it. And also you'll be able to create the table of content. And if you want to collapse this one, so you simply go to insert and view, and collapse tabs and outline sidebars, so it goes off. And whenever you want this, again, either you click this like this, or you click view and collapse. So this is how you can apply table of content. You can apply headings, you can apply titles. So this is very important and very interesting heading styles you can do. So how do you like it? And hope you understood the concept. And if you understood the concept, and if you have any doubt about any heading or a title or how to make it, and if you have any query, kindly drop a comment in the comment box. I'll try to resolve your query whenever I see your comment. So we'll meet next in the next video with some other feature of the Google Docs and building blocks also. So till then, bye bye.